welcome back to my channel. If you are first time here, my name is Dhanashree. I am certified agriculturist and post a video on every week on topics like gardening, obviously. And you are watching Live Life Better channel. Today I am coming up with the introduction of our new series, that is Microgreen. Microgreens are the packed of nutrient and they are very easy to grow. This series will help you to boost your knowledge about about seedlings of microgreen, but also improve the nutritious value. Here I am adding one clip for your better understanding of how the life cycle of seed happens from germination to harvested stage. This is seed, and wait for it, this is seed coat. After rupturing the seed coat, you will found embryo and cotyledons. Roots are developed from the embryo, and this is how roots and shoots are formed. So, in the first point, we are talking about what are microgreens. Microgreens are vegetables or herbs which are generally grown from seeds and harvested at the seedling stage. These are the sprouted seeds, something that you eat as a dal sprout. And this is, wait for it, this is a microgreens, something that you eat with the stems, leaves, basically all above the soil. On the second point, we are going to discuss what are the difference between microgreens and sprout. People are generally confused with the sprouts and microgreens. Microgreens are like baby greens, and the life cycle of the sprout is generally about 0 to 7 days, and the life cycle of microgreens is approximately 7 to 21 days. Let's talk about the benefits of a microgreen. Microgreens having the huge amount of a benefit. They contain the large amount of vitamins. Also, they contain the large amount of minerals and having the lots of antibiotics than their more mature counterpart. People are generally asked about does microgreen vary in taste? The answer is simple yes, which is range from the neutral to spicy one. It also be bitter in taste or it also be sour in taste. What are the types of microgreen? Microgreens are generally grown from any kind of seed, like as in cereal, it can be grown from wheats, oats, barley, sorghum, bajra, or in pulses. It can also grow from red gram, green gram, rajma, moth bean, kidney bean, or in spices. It can be grown from any kind of spice like as mustard, fenugreek, onion, garlic. For this growing of microgreen, you don't have to go and buy seeds. All the seeds are available in your kitchen, but some seeds you don't grow as a microgreen. I will tell you in the upcoming videos or episode which type of seeds are grown as a microgreen. All that you need is some soil or coco peat and one plastic tray, whichever is available in your home. Microgreens are scientifically proven to have a very great amount of a health benefit. This is something you must try it. And believe me, I am not saying for sake of it. It is very easy to grow. In this series, first episode is included microgreens grown from a cereals, and second microgreens grown from a pulses, and in third episode you can grow from a spices from your kitchen. So stay tuned for the upcoming video or episode for this series.